Today I'm going to teach you how to make an adorable pumpkin. I'm using 1 skein of our big velvet yarn in tangerine color. You're going to start with a magic circle with 6 single crochet stitches around. If you don't know how to make this, you can find my other video on how to make a magic circle. For the second row, you're going to increase to 12 single crochet stitches. You do this by going through each of your loops twice to double the amount of stitches that you have. You can see here you kind of have to just pull the stitch apart and squeeze 2 inside. Keep track of your stitches, and when you make it around, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then this one sticking out is for your next row. So we'll do 12 single crochet stitches again, and this time you'll only have to go through each loop once. Then for the final row, we're going to go back down to 6. So we'll skip the first loop and then go through the second loop. Then we'll skip the next one and go through the one next to that. This way we're decreasing in half down to 6 stitches. When you get all the way around, you're going to pull your working yarn all the way through that last loop, and then you're going to weave it around that top last row. Once you get all the way around, you're going to pull the end through and tighten it so that it closes the end of your pumpkin up. Now that you have your pumpkin body, it's time to choose a stem. I have a broken paint stir, some different colored yarn, and a paper towel roll that I am experimenting with to see which one I want to use as my stem. So you can use anything you have around the house. I'm a big fan of using what you have. Then you're going to close up the end of your yarn by cutting out a little bit of the inside, and then I'm just going to use a hot glue gun to glue it closed, and then to pull it tight again and tuck it in underneath one of the side loops so that you don't see it, and secure it. Then find that hole in the center, and whatever you use for your stem, I'm using the broken paint stirrer. Put some glue on it and put it in the middle and make sure it stays put. I love how this little pumpkin turned out, but I thought that it was missing something. So I decided to add some faux greenery that I had lying around as a little leaf for an extra touch of detail. And I think it's perfect. If you like this video, please comment, like, and share, and let me know in the comments if you decide to make one. Thanks for watching.